In this video, we will show you how to use the client portal for collaborative planning with your clients and team members. Include your budgets and forecasts together with other shared business insights and keep everyone informed for better decision-making. Start by using Reach Reporting three-way planning and forecasting tool to create a single or multi-year projection. Check out our videos on budgeting and forecasting to learn more about this feature. Once you have your budget or forecast created, set the appropriate status tag. You also have an option to clear the tag and check the status history to track planning progress. When you have your projections set up, include them in the client portal for easy collaboration. Customize access for individual users by granting editing or viewing only privileges and assigning your budgets and forecasts to folders. By including budgets and forecasts, your client portal becomes a centralized, secure hub for all shared business insights. Easily keep clients and team members in the loop with the status you set for each projection. Grant users an edit privilege if you would like to enable them to actively participate in business planning, as the changes they make update existing budgets and forecasts upon saving. But even for a view-only privilege, you and your team can still supercharge planning efficiency by leaving comments to track planning decisions. Comment history helps your clients and team members understand the reasoning for a specific planning strategy. If you wish, you can also alert your clients and team members about the new business insights shared. This covers the advantages of including Reach Reporting budgets and forecasts in the client portal. If you have additional questions, send us a chat.